In the still of the night, I think of you. My heart beats with every thought of you. You're the
Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Charlene and this is my first video. Not my first video really, but yeah, it's almost like my first video. So I'm going to do my first fridge restock now that I bought a fridge. I'm going to do my first fridge restock and I'm going to show you what I bought, and if you see something that's not for the fridge, just know it's not for the fridge. Please. Yeah, but let me show you what I bought. So I went for a small shopping haul, which I'll show you a snippet of what I did. And I bought some things here. I bought some things. So I started the first bag. You can show them the other bags. Don't worry about the floor and everything. Just concentrate on the main topic. So I bought some few things. Obviously this don't belong to the fridge. This one is a funny thing. So I bought some containers and I hope these containers will serve me. I bought some containers. So I bought, how many containers are they? They are, okay. How many containers are they? They are, so I bought two sizes. They are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Yeah, I guess there's 7 containers, but if I find one, I'll just show you. 7 containers and the lids for that size. And then I bought others. I bought 3 more. So those are for storing food, boiled food and what are they called? And yeah, boiled food. And then I bought soda. Obviously, if I have visitors when you're from doing your errands and you're just tired. So 1 million from the first bag onto the next bag. Onto the next bag. From the next bag we have, this is mainly food stuff. So I'll just put it in the floor, like no contamination or anything. I hope so. Mama, where do you put them? Hello. So I bought crepes. Obviously that's not for the fridge. So I bought some ice cream. The carpet is clean, by the way. Ice cream. Chicken. I bought how many chickens? Sausages. Bacon. I bought a lot of bacon. I'm a big fan of bacon. 10 bacon. Minced meat. And then I bought 3 kgs of meat for starters. This is the rest of the chicken. I bought 2 kienyeji chicken and 1 broiler because in this house we do kienyeji. And then I bought 3 kg of meat. Papa? Oh, take this. This is liver. And the other kienyeji meat. Yeah. And then I bought this, what is it called? Beef ham. This is for making sukuma wiki. We love eating sukuma wiki with beef ham. And then 2 more ice cream. Vanilla and strawberry, but I actually wish I bought chocolate flavor too. Papa, no. Check this. Take this. No. And then more storage containers. Yeah, more storage containers. And that's it for the second bag. And obviously the receipt. It might seem expensive, but it's not that expensive, guys. It's not that expensive, trust me. And then onto the third bag. Whew. Onto the third bag, I bought some more crisps, and then yogurt. I bought yogurt, these small ones, because you don't need to drink a lot of yogurt and you're just in the house. You can take some scoops and leave it. Yeah, no pressure. And then yogurt for my baby, the natural yogurt for my baby. And then some juice. This is for everyone who's in the house, and yeah, but not for every day, because sugar is not healthy. Most of the things here are not healthy, so they're just snacks. More crisps, more yogurt. And then this is for my boyfriend. He's a fan of Red Bull, so Red Bull for him. Red Bull for him. More Red Bull, more Red Bull. More Red Bull for him. And then Monster. I'm a fan of Monster, so this is mine. But I don't love drinking energy drinks all the time. No, Papa. Sorry. Oh. Sorry, guys. So more yogurt. And then some oats. These are mine. And then some fruits. Oranges. More oranges. And apples. More apples. Yeah, and some lemon, because we all should take some lemon, especially in the morning. Yeah, and that's it, guys. It's not a lot. It's just, we're trying this fridge thing because this is our first fridge, and this is our first fridge stocking. Oh, this is our first fridge stock. Yeah. So tell me what you think about it. Tell me what I should add, what I should not buy, what you think about it, what you think about the video. Yeah, please comment down, like, share, and subscribe to my video. Yeah, and let's grow. At least let's reach 500 subscribers, at least for a start. Then from there on, we'll see how it goes. Thank you, guys. Bye. So guys, I've already wiped my fridge. Yeah, I've wiped my fridge up, and now I want to stock it. So I don't know if I should first switch it on. Let me switch it on. Yeah, so my fridge is clean. I've wiped it up. Yeah, I've wiped it up. So I want to put in my little shopping. So I don't know how I'm supposed to, store it, but all I know is that fruit and vegetables should be down here, and yeah, everything else kind of because my fridge is not like the complicated ones. Dairy should be here, or yeah, just arrange my things. And once I do once I buy more shopping to restock, I'll show you, because that will be a restock now. So I'll start with the juice. Hey guys, this fridge is big. So I'll start with the juice. So I'll put the juice. I think I'll put it here. What's happening? Okay. put the juice here. I'll put the juice there. And then, yeah, maybe let me just put it like that. And then we'll see with time. And then I have some Monster, which I'll put here. Which I'll put here. And then the Red Bull, I'll align here. And align them there. And then we have this yogurt. I don't want to put all of them in the same place, so I guess I'll put this yogurt. Where will I put them? Let me just put them here. Let me just put them here. I put the vanilla together. And the fruit beer together. And then I'll put my baby's yogurt here. Those are my baby's yogurt. And then the soda. Definitely. Soda goes there. So, okay. Maybe here. Oh guys, okay, it's not that easy as I thought. It's not as easy as I thought. And then obviously we have the freezer where I put my ice cream there. And then the meat, I wanted to what is it called, to partition this meat, but I will. Let me first put them here. I should partition them first. No. Let me just partition them first. Pause video. So I'm done packing the meat, and now let us store the meat. So this is minced meat. These two containers contain minced meat, and then we have the beef. These containers are big. We have beef there, and here I have more beef, which I don't know how I'm going to store this. Or maybe I store it like that, and then I use this here. Yeah, it's not bad. So that is the meat that I have, but I still have some liver here. So what I'm going to do, guys, is I'm going to put my ice cream here, there, and put my beef here. I don't know how that will look, or maybe I don't know, but I just have two since I don't have another option. And then I'll put my bacon here. I'll put my bacon there. And I still have sausages here, guys. So I think I'll just put it here. Let me take the baby. So guys, that's what's up. And then I have this beef hump. I had to take the baby. I have this beef hump, which I'm just going to place there. Although I wish I never had to mix the ice cream with the rest of the things, but I just have to. I'll put that there and that there, and then the ice cream will remain there. I'll give myself time to see how the food will behave in the fridge, the smell, everything. And then I'll, okay, oh my gosh guys, I am so sorry. I forgot. This is also a freezer. This is also a freezer, guys, sorry. So this is also a freezer, I don't know. This is also a freezer. And I can put my sausages there. And I can put this there. Yeah guys, and this will remain there. I think that's a better arrangement. Or I would have put the meat here together. You just put the meat here and then put the ice cream away from the meat. The sausages here. Like that. Yeah, I think that makes more sense, right guys? Cindy, this makes more sense. This is ice cream here, and this is meat. The juices are here, and the 2 soda, and the more sodas are on that department. And here now guys, we still have chicken. Oh my god, who am I so forgetful? So we have chicken here. Oh my god guys, so I just have to do this. I'll have to do that. The chicken won't fit there, so I'll put the sausages here, and the chicken will stay up there. Yeah, and I'm done with the freezer now. I guess I haven't messed up anyway. I think this is it. And I hope everything will remain fresh, guys. Please help me. Not help. Yeah, please help me. But advise me on what you think about this arrangement. Now, the only thing remaining is on the fresh zone part, the vegetables part, which I'm going to open. Which I'm going to open. Which I'm going to open and put these things into the fresh zone part. I'm going to put the lemon. I know this video might be a little bit chaotic, but guys, we just have to do it. You do what you love, and you love what you do. So this is the lemon. I'm going to put them in here. I'm going to put them there. And we have some apples. And more apples. and more onions. And then finally we have the oranges for that vitamin C. Whew, and that's it, guys. That's all for today. That's all we had for today. I'm going to look for some containers to put tomatoes and everything, because I still have to put tomatoes and other vegetables that I'm going to need in the fridge. But so far this is what we are working with. Okay, I have some eggs. Let me put some eggs there. Okay, I don't have eggs. I don't have eggs, so I'll still fill this part with more things, and we'll be doing more videos together. And guys, yeah, again, please don't forget to share my videos, subscribe and love my videos. Yeah, don't forget to like and share my videos, and you know, press that notification button for more videos, and please like, and if any ads ever come up, please guys watch so that you can grow together. And this is not the only content I'll be bringing. I'll be bringing more content for you guys in future. It may even be tomorrow, one day, 2 days from now, but guys, please support your girl and support the girls, baby. So bye bye guys, bye bye.